Alrighty, so we've rocked up to a BA, and this is probably an 03 because there's no stickers there, and the ignition barrel itself has been completely munched and the key doesn't work. So we need to remove the ignition barrel, put a new one in, and then we need to program new keys. So he'll get a new set of keys, which I've got a new barrel right here ready to go. So we'll get that out and we'll program in 2 new transponders, and if he wants a flip remote, we'll give him a flip remote. So I just had a look at this tiller, and I didn't actually see this before, but look, the antenna wire is actually coming out of the tiller. So if that's not connected, which it isn't, it's broken, look at that. So he's going to need a new tiller because that's broken. So even if you program in keys, it won't work. Okay, we're back. We've been to the wreckers, and basically here is our replacement part. It's a tiller, and it's really important that these wires here are the actual antenna. So with a Ford car, a lot of people think that they can just jam a screwdriver in there and turn the ignition and the ignition's going to work. It doesn't happen. It's not going to help you because there's a mobilizer. Now if you somehow manage to actually get the barrel out itself, which is very difficult, when I get this open I'll show you. First of all, I've got to remove this. So here's the new part. If you do turn the steering, if you do manage to get the barrel out and you actually turn the steering lock, what will happen without the barrel being in there, the whole steering column will jam up and lock, and you will have to replace the whole steering column. There's no way around it. Okay, so let's get into it. And first things first, we're going to unplug the tiller. Very hard with one hand. Doesn't really matter because this one's buggered anyhow. So the tiller's now removed. Might as well leave it there, doesn't matter. I'm going to get the barrel out and we're going to put a new one in and take it from there. I have the new tiller in, so it's actually got a light on it, and there's the old one. See, it's busted. And the barrel, we've put a new barrel in there as well. I'll just have to do the screw up on the back of that. Right. Accessories on. Of course the immobilizer is not programmed yet, but that's what we're going to use the programming tool for. So we'll turn it on to accessories. I'll enter the pin number. So all of these machines are locked. So if somebody were to steal this machine, if entered in 3 or 4 times, it completely bricks and you can't use it. So it's useless stealing one of these machines. And if you run out of tokens, so we're looking for a Ford Falcon 2003 BA, connect. And the other thing we're going to have to do is grab some immobilizer chips, which I've got them in here. Turn the ignition on, yep. Okay, program keys. Let's get those ready. They're important, otherwise I can't go any further. It's very hard with one hand. Okay, I've got 2 transponders there. So let's start. Minimum 2 keys required. Turn the ignition off. Shut all the doors. Push OK for the door locks. Okay, so we'll grab 1 transponder. We can hear the door locks going. So that's 1 transponder programmed in. Turn it off. Turn it back on. Okay, press OK. And we've got basically 12 minutes to wait, and when that happens the door locks will cycle and then those keys are programmed in, and that's it. It does say it's complete, but we know it's not. Okay, so we've got 2 keys. Let's just try the remote. Door locks, door unlocks, light comes on. I'll try 1 key in the ignition. The mobiliser light is on. Mobiliser light goes off. And car is running. Beautiful. Okay, now we try the other key. Make sure it works. Mobiliser light goes off. And there we have it. So we've had to put on another battery from the van and the charger. And that is it. BA 2005. Oh, that's not meant to happen. What's going on here? Oh, okay. Thanks for watching.